dear students, welcome to my next class. In the last class, we have seen the definition of integers. Also, we have seen when we add two positive integers, we get a positive integers. And when we add two negative integers, we will get a negative integers. Let's start today's class. We'll see some more things, some problems in this class. I'm explaining one point here, student. When one positive and one negative integers are added, we take their difference. And place the sign of the bigger number. The sign of the bigger number. Let's take an example. -5 plus 7. Here you see one integer is negative and another integer is positive. We have to add this negative integer and positive integer. Here signs are different. One sign is negative, another sign is positive. As we have seen just in this note, that if one positive integer and one negative integer are added, we take their difference. Means we have to subtract it. We have to find the difference of these two numbers and place the sign of the bigger number. Means we have to take the sign of the bigger number. Now 7 minus 5 is 2. What is the sign of the bigger number? What is the bigger number? Bigger number is 7. Its sign is plus. So answer will be plus 2, students. Suppose if it is like this, -7 plus 5, answer will be -2. Why? Because sign of the bigger number is minus. That's why -2. If signs are different, student, we subtract and we take sign of the bigger number. Here the sign of the bigger number is minus. That's why answer will be -2. Now we'll see some of the examples of addition of integers and subtraction of integers both. First, addition of positive integers. We'll solve some examples. Addition of positive integers. Let's take some examples of positive integers. Suppose 7 plus 5. The answer will be plus 12. Why plus 12? Sum of positive integer is positive. When we add two positive integer, we get a positive integers. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Addition of two positive integer, when you add the two positive integer, the result will be positive only. Like this, many examples we can take. 20 plus 13 will give you 33. Both the integers are positive, so answer will be positive. Addition of positive integer is positive. Now this is homework. 3 plus 7 is equal to how much? Homework for you. 7 plus 27 is equal to how much? 8 plus 12 is equal to how much? 3 plus 23 is equal to how much? 25 plus 13 is equal to how much? So this is homework. Now we'll see addition of negative integers. Addition of negative integers. First of all, keep in mind, when you add the two negative integers, result will be negative. Or here you can say sum of positive integer is positive. Like that, sum of negative integers is negative, students. Minus 7 minus 5 is equal to minus 12. Reason is, when two negative integers are added, we get a negative integer. This is the reason. Or you can say sum of negative integer is negative. Here students do some mistakes. That mistake is, they used to say minus minus plus. That is, minus into minus will happen in multiplication of integers. Here we are adding integers. You can multiply if it is like this, minus 7 into minus 5. Now we will multiply the numbers. Minus into minus will become plus. That we will see in the further classes, not in this class. Or if it is like this, minus 7 and minus 5, if it is in bracket like this, you have to multiply it. But here you can see there is no multiplication sign in between it. It means we have to add these two numbers. Minus 5 and minus 7 will be minus 12. Like this, minus 10 minus 5 will be minus 15. Sum of negative integer is negative. Keep in mind, this is very important point. Students come in 10th class but they don't know how to solve this one. How you are getting minus 12. You should know how you are getting minus 12. Sum of negative integer is negative, student. Sum of positive integer is positive. These are very important things. Minus 10 minus 5 will be minus 15. Minus 20 minus 13 will be minus 33. Like this, many example you can take. Minus 10 minus 10 will be minus 20. One more, student. Minus 10 plus 0 is equal to minus 10. Keep in mind, student, anything plus 0 will be anything. Keep in mind, minus anything plus 0 will be minus anything. If you add 0 with any positive integer, you will get positive integer. If you add 0 with any negative integer, you will get negative integer, student. Keep in mind, this is very important. We'll take one example here. 0 plus 10 is equal to plus 10. I am giving you one more question in the homework. 0 plus 15 is equal to how much? Now 0 plus anything plus 0 is also anything, or 0 plus anything is also anything. Like here 0 plus 10 is 10. If I do like this 0 minus 10, then also answer will be minus 10 only. 0 minus anything will be minus anything. Keep in mind. So I am giving you homework here. Minus 3 minus 5. This is homework. Then minus 10 minus 20. Minus 20 plus 0. 0 minus 13. Then minus 15 minus 15. Minus 3 minus 19. Sorry for the inconvenience. So this is homework, student. You have to solve this problem and this problem in homework. I hope you understood. In the next class we will see some of the examples of this type, some examples of one integer negative, another integer positive. Those problems we have not done here. In the next class we will see if one number is negative, another number is positive, what we have to do. We will take the examples of more examples. We have taken only 2 examples here. We will take more examples of like this in the next class. I hope you understood whatever I explained in addition of positive integers and in addition of negative integers. Solve this question, become perfect in it. It is very important. I hope you understood how to solve this. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel Tech Mathematics. Thank you for watching.